Smith, the Bristol in, Mark Spriggs, and Gerald Robinson Jr. Door handle, they come to the line. Mark Smith, the Bristol in. But we got some new entrants to the fray. Is it 3X? Blacksmith and Rooster D standing in a precarious situation. We have got total blockage coming out of turn number 4. If you've got spotters, Mark Spriggs and Gerald Robinson, I hope they're talking to you now because you got problems ahead. And they make it around safely. Mark Spriggs, Gerald Robinson Jr. Because they're clearing it out now.
They're still on the track now.
Mark Spriggs, Gerald Robinson Jr. And they keep it intact for 3 more laps.
Yellow's working together, right? They're doing good.
Still problems coming out of turn number 4.